Welcome to ICS Mahesh PU College, Dharwad. In last session, we have solved two examples. Today, we see one more example, that is, solve the LPP graphically, maximize and minimize z equal to 5x plus 10y subject to the constraint x plus 2y less than or equal to 120, x plus y greater than or equal to 60, and x minus 2y greater than or equal to 0, and non-negative constraint x comma y greater than or equal to 0. Here our objective function z is to maximize and minimize, and the constraints are x plus 2y less than or equal to 120, x plus y greater than or equal to 60, and third constraint x minus 2y greater than or equal to 0. Let us see the solution. First inequality, x plus 2y equal to 120. We have to find the values of x and y. When x equal to 0, we get y value as 60, and y equal to 0, we get x value as 120. And considering second inequality, to equality x plus y equal to 60. When x equal to 0, we get y equal to 60, and y equal to 0, we get x equal to 60. And third inequality, that is x minus 2y equal to 0, we can also write this as x equal to 2y. Here when x equal to 0, we obtain y value as 2. To check the common region, we can consider a point which is not lying on the line, that is considering any arbitrary point. When x equal to 120 and y is 60. Let us draw this graph. X-axis, y-axis. First point is 0, 60. Second point is 120, 0. Joining these 2 points, we need to observe the given inequality x plus 2y less than or equal to 120. Here the given inequality, when we substitute x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, which is 0 which is less than 120, hence we need to shade towards the origin. And considering remaining 2 points, that is 0, 60 and 60, 0, joining these 2 points, and here green region shows the falseness of the given inequality, because when we substitute x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, 0 is greater than or equal to 6, which is false, hence we are shading away from the origin. Now origin of 0, 0, and already we have considered an arbitrary point, that is 120, 60, joining those 2 points. Now x minus 2y greater than or equal to 0. In third inequality, we are substituting x equal to 60 and y equal to 0. Be any arbitrary point, we get 60 is greater than or equal to 0, which is true solution. Hence we are shading towards the origin. Therefore the common region is here. Therefore A, B, C, D are the 4 corner points of the given linear programming problem, as A already having the coordinate 60, 0 and D of 120, 0, but we need to find the coordinates of B and C by solving the simultaneous equations. For that, consider x plus 2y equal to 120 and one more line equation x minus 2y equal to 0. By solving minus, we obtain 4y equal to 120, hence y equal to 30. Therefore x is equal to 60. Therefore C having coordinate 60, 30. To find the coordinates of B, consider 2 more equations, x plus y equal to 60 and x minus 2y equal to 0. Minus, therefore we obtain 3y equal to 60 and y equal to 20. Hence x is equal to 40. Therefore the coordinates of B are 40, 20. Let us check maximum and minimum value of given objective function. When a of 60, 0 and b of 40, 20, c of 60, 30 and d of 120, 0, we obtain 300, 400, 600 and 600. Therefore minimum of z at a of 60, 0 is 300 and maximum value of z is 600 at a point c of 60, 30 and d of 120, 0 at all points on the line joining CD. Thank you.